Welcome back to the show, family. Now, as Dystany prepares to make her second pass of the day, the OG, Uncle Earl, wanted to talk to her a little bit more in depth about the bike they lovingly call Muggsy. All right, family, we're here at the Man Cup at the South Georgia Motorsport Park, and there's tons of legendary races here, like my man Custom Cuts. What's up, player? Nothing to it. Riding Black Seas. I saw you get down to Maryland a few months ago, too.
Yes, sir.
Bad boy, bad boy. So I'm gonna step over here and talk to my little sister, Miss Spurlock. What's up?
What's up?
All right, now look, I saw E-Ray talking to you earlier. You know, little brothers always want to jump stuff. You know, he missed the Mustang Classics, you know, so whatever. But look, man, when I was up there in the crowd, I was in the stands just watching you when you took your first run.
Yes.
Right? So what was going through my mind is, what's in this bike? You know what I mean? Is it nitrous? Is it turbo? I mean, what's in the bike?
It is a nitrous bike. It's a motor, 1675 motor, if I'm not mistaken. That's in it. It's nitrous, so yeah.
Speed.
A little
You know what I'm saying? What else I noticed with the laser, like Larry has a laser focus, man. You know, he's making sure the bike right. He's making sure, but more importantly, he's worried about your safety overall than anything.
Yes.
So talk to us about that. What's up with that?
So Larry's chill until it's time to go race. And when it's time to go race, it's like, get out his way. Like, his focus is that bike, because he's in control of that bike. I'm in control of cutting a light, making sure it's straight. So he has to make sure the tuning is correct. You know, I'll help with making sure the tire pressure is where it needs to be, change out the nitrous bottle, stuff like that. But the mechanics of it, the tuning, he gets it done.
So look, I notice a lot of times when you get up there, when you get in the burnout box, when you put on your helmet, it's like you go into a whole nother focus.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
What is that like? Explain that to us, because it's like you going through a transformation, like from the time you put on that helmet till you get up to the line, man. What's it like?
It took me a while to get where I am now, because I used to battle a lot with like that mental toughness to focus really on what I'm doing without the nerves, right? So now it's just natural. It's just like, okay, do what you gotta do, cut the light, the bike is gonna do what it needs to do, and that's what I do.
Absolutely. Well, you know me, I'm excited. I'm ready for another solid pass. Give him one, sis. All right, family, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, so we can keep you up to speed on all the latest trends in autocross, restoration, resto mods, and the latest aftermarket equipment.